Okay. This is Big Pants number 2. Woman, we got some work to do.
Oh, hello.
She's down there. Okay. Now I gotta turn this. We gotta turn this to that wall that we were on. We were on that wall.
You're on this wall. Where's me?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, is that good enough or should I put it up low?
Put it up a little bit.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah.
You up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I go back to the wall?
Yes. Okay, watch, there's that thing there.
Okay. Come on. Oh no.
Oh! Oh, where's the stick when we need it? Oh, gotta go back.
Oh no.
Okay, just go fast. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is that good? Oh.
Okay.
I need to check my phone real quick. Where'd it go? Oh!
Phone. Phone. This is how it would be if your side used
It
it.
suck. I don't know where my phone went. Are you laying on it?
It takes so much to get out.
Oh, there it is. Oh, no one texted
My
me.
legs are sweating. I know mine are sweating really bad.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Let me pull my pants. Let me pull up my pants. Okay. Okay.
Okay, wait. I can probably go to this chair.
Okay. Gotta just pull my weight this way so you can do it. Maybe not. Oh no. Please don't fall all the way down. Or we're gonna die.
Okay, we can get back up.
No way, I gotta get over there.
I keep slipping.
No, if we fall down, we're gonna be dead. My legs
Okay.
are shaking.
Sarah's picking me up. Okay.
Oh my god. Hold on.
I have an idea.
What?
What if I like roll?
I can't reach the computer. Oh god forbid, get up the chair. Hold on, I think I can actually get up right now.
Okay, wait, I got the chair.
Oh wait!
Alright.
I just need to get my feet up.
Okay, wait, don't move. We need to roll back because my back is killing. Roll back.
Okay.
Ow.
Okay.
Okay. Ow, my shoulder. Alright. Okay.
How are we
Okay. Oh no, got this. No, it definitely wasn't. Oh well. Please this.